Claudia has been estranged. Si Claudia ang pinaka-distant. Maybe there are different ways that the children cope. Itong leading to her wedding, she wanted it very private. Hindi niya sinishare yung engagement. She was engaged for some time and she didn't want to share the wedding. She wanted it a peaceful... Tsaka hindi naman sila showbiz, you know what I mean? Pero kino-convince ko sila na siya, that the right thing to do is to invite the father.
Ikaw nagsabi kay ano?
No, ako. God knows.
Oh.
Alam ng Diyos. Alam ng lahat ng mga anak ko. Sometimes it caused friction because they're not friends eh. They're estranged sila eh. I said, you know, it's the right thing to do, to start your life. Just think about it. And then, I wasn't getting anywhere. At saka minsan, feeling ng iba, Margie, why are you forcing her to invite somebody that she doesn't want to be there? It's a very intimate wedding eh. Mga talagang close lang eh. Yung tao doon. Panti lang. One day, I said, Claudia, pray about it. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to what I'm saying. Pagdasal mo. So, pinabayaan ko siya for days. And then one day, she told me, sige, okay, we'll invite him. I'll invite him. But I don't want him to walk me down the aisle. Okay, I hope my daughter's not judged here. Okay, why? Right?
Oo nga, bakit?
Because, ano ba ibig sabihin ng walking the bride down the aisle? It's a father who raised you, provided for you, nurtured you, was protected you, your safe space. You're handing over your daughter now, after raising her, to the man who is now gonna be in charge of her. Tama ba yun? So, why would he hand over Claudia? She doesn't even know anything about him. He doesn't even know anything about her. Ask him, where did she graduate? What was her course? Who are her friends? Do you even know that the friends in the wedding were her friends from childhood, from grade school? Do you even know where she's enrolled right now? That's how much he doesn't know about her. She didn't want him to walk her down the aisle. So tell him, okay? And then I said, para walang gulo. Like I said, Dennis is explosive. He has a bad temper. Wala yang pakialam kung may ibang taong makakita. Pag gusto niyang sumabog, sasabog siya. Walang pakialam yan. I know him the most. I was with him for 14 years. The prime of his life, the peak of his temper. Hindi na lang kita iwa-walk down the aisle. Para walang gulo, diba? Sacrifice ko na yun.
Sinabi mo kay, para walang issue.
Yeah. And alam mo, Audrey, bottom line, let's not so dramatic, okay? Itong conversation namin ni Claudia, it wasn't dramatic. Because ang brides ngayon, kung makikita mo sa Instagram, they walk down the aisle on their own. Iba na ngayon.
Iba na.
Iba na ngayon. And what about for separated parents? Diba? Iba rin. Diba? Awkward. So, they walk her down the aisle. And that was really the plan.